Windows plus print screen. No need to open a dedicated screenshot tool. Window plus print screen grabs the whole screen and saves it as a PNG file in a screenshots folder inside your pictures folder. Windows plus left arrow or Windows plus right arrow snap windows. Snapping a window simply opens it on one side of the screen, left or right, depending on which arrow you hit. This allows you to compare two windows side by side and keeps your workspace organized. Ctrl plus Shift plus Esc. The Task Manager is your window into everything running on your Windows system, from the open programs to the background processes. This shortcut will call up the Task Manager, no matter what application you're using. You can force close any application that is not responding. This baby is one of the classic Windows shortcuts, and it can be hugely useful when you're running multiple applications. Just press Alt plus Tab and you'll be able to quickly flick through all your open windows. Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete is the combination of the Control key, the Alt key and Del key that you can press at the same time to terminate an application task or to reboot the operating system. It is a very useful shortcut key and it is used when your PC freezes or any application freezes and you can't do anything.